How to deliver a successful presentation, tips and tricks. Delivering a successful presentation can be a nerve-wracking experience, but with the right preparation and delivery, you can impress your audience and leave a lasting impression. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks on how to deliver a successful presentation that will engage your audience and leave them wanting more. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to deliver a successful presentation. Whether you're giving a presentation for work or school, or presenting at a conference, we've got you covered with tips and tricks that will help you deliver a presentation that will leave a lasting impression. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, know your audience. The first tip for delivering a successful presentation is to know your audience. This means understanding their level of knowledge about the topic, their expectations, and what they hope to get out of your presentation. You can do this by researching the audience beforehand or by asking the organizer for information about the attendees. This will help you tailor your presentation to their interests and ensure that you deliver a message that resonates with them. Tip number 2, plan and practice your presentation. The second tip for delivering a successful presentation is to plan and practice. Start by outlining the key points you want to cover and organizing them in a logical order. Then, create visual aids such as slides or handouts to support your presentation. Practice your presentation several times to ensure that you're comfortable with the content and the timing. Tip number 3, use engaging visual aids. The third tip for delivering a successful presentation is to use engaging visual aids. This could be slides, videos, or even props. Visual aids help to break up the presentation and keep the audience engaged. However, be careful not to overload your presentation with too many visual aids or make them too distracting. Tip number 4, use body language and eye contact. The fourth tip for delivering a successful presentation is to use body language and eye contact. This helps to convey confidence and engages the audience. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your points. However, avoid fidgeting or pacing around the stage, as this can be distracting. Tip number 5, speak clearly and confidently. The fifth tip for delivering a successful presentation is to speak clearly and confidently. This means projecting your voice, speaking slowly and clearly, and avoiding filler words such as or like. Pause occasionally to emphasize key points and to give the audience time to absorb the information. Tip number 6, handle Q&A sessions effectively. The final tip for delivering a successful presentation is to handle Q&A sessions effectively. Encourage questions and be prepared to answer them. If you don't know the answer to a question, don't be afraid to say so. Be respectful to the audience members and avoid getting defensive or argumentative. Well, that's it for today's video on how to deliver a successful presentation. We hope that you found these tips and tricks helpful, and that you're feeling more confident about your next presentation. If you have any other tips or tricks, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.